So this is my interactive module. My course theme is Greek mythology and it's targeted towards 8th graders. I have 5 parts in my interactive module: the introduction, what is a myth, there are 3 myths we'll cover in class, why myths are important today, and the assessments. Some key features I have would be I have lots of discussion questions along the way. And at the end, I have 3 different assessments for my 3 standards, my 3 Indiana standards. So that is a fun thing. My favorite thing that I have on my interactive module would probably be the videos I made. I made both of these, so it's kind of fun that I have ownership and I made them.